Hi, I'm Alec. This is first tutorial on song blank space. In this video you'll find two versions of playing the song on guitar. And intro. So and again. So chords in the verse: D, B minor, A minor, G, and A. So and again D, B, E, G, and A, and chorus. Chords: D, B minor, E minor, and G without A. So and G, and again. So and bridge chords: D, A, B minor, A, D, A, B minor, G. So and B and D and B G. Okay, G. So and second version, cap on the 5th fret, and intro, chord C, and verse. Chords: C, A minor, D minor, F, and G. A, D, F, G, and chorus. Chords: C, A, D, and F. So and again C, A, and D minor, so and bridge and chords: C, G, A, G, C, G, and A, F. And again. And chorus. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like or dislike as you wish, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Good luck.